Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're in the market for a truck that combines rugged off-road capability with luxury, comfort, and a host of tech features, then you're in for a treat today. We're about to dive into the 2025 GMC Canyon AT4X, a truck that proves you can have it all. Whether you're planning to hit the trails or just need a reliable workhorse, the Canyon AT4X might be just what you're looking for. So, let's jump right into it. Body panels. The 2025 Canyon AT4X has been crafted with durability and style in mind. The body panels are made from high-strength steel and aluminum, giving the truck a solid, rugged feel without adding excessive weight. The design is bold and muscular, with sharp lines and a purposeful stance that screams off-road readiness. You'll notice the distinctive wheel arches, which give the truck a wider, more aggressive look, perfect for those who like to make a statement. These panels not only look great but also provide better protection against the elements, whether you're on a trail or on the road. Headlights. At the front, the Canyon AT4X comes equipped with LED headlights that deliver both style and functionality. These headlights are bright and provide excellent illumination, ensuring you have clear visibility even in the darkest environments. With automatic high beams, they'll adjust based on oncoming traffic, helping you keep your hands on the wheel while ensuring you're not blinding other drivers. And of course, those signature GMC LED running lights help make the Canyon AT4X easily recognizable from a distance, giving it a signature look on or off the road. Taillights. The taillights on the Canyon AT4X continue the tough and modern theme. These are also LED units, giving them a sharper, more distinct appearance while enhancing visibility at night. The taillights feature a strong, angular design that ties perfectly with the truck's aggressive rear end, and the bright, efficient LEDs offer quicker illumination and enhanced safety when you're braking or turning. Grille. When you look at the grille, it's hard to miss GMC's bold, signature design. The Canyon AT4X features a large, blacked-out grille that's integrated with a chrome surround, making it not only aggressive but stylish. This design provides better airflow to the engine while adding a sense of toughness. The grille also helps in protecting the front end, which is key when you're venturing off-road or tackling those rougher trails. Seats. Inside, the Canyon AT4X offers a premium, comfortable driving experience. The seats are upholstered in leather with suede inserts on higher trims, offering a blend of durability and luxury. They're ergonomically designed to keep you comfortable during long drives, whether you're on the highway or taking on rugged terrain. The front seats are heated and ventilated, providing year-round comfort, while the driver's seat offers 12-way power adjustments for perfect positioning. The rear seats are spacious enough for adults to sit comfortably, and they fold flat to provide extra cargo space when you need it. Dashboard. The dashboard in the 2025 Canyon AT4X strikes a balance between ruggedness and technology. It features durable materials that can withstand dirt and debris from off-road adventures, but it's also stylish and functional. The center stack houses an intuitive 8-inch or 10-inch touchscreen, depending on the trim, surrounded by high-quality, tactile controls that make it easy to use, even with gloves on. The dashboard layout is clean, with minimal distractions, so you can stay focused on the road or trail ahead. Infotainment system. When it comes to the infotainment system, the Canyon AT4X doesn't disappoint. It comes with GMC's latest Infotainment 3 Plus system, which includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. Whether you're navigating, playing music, or taking calls, it's all at your fingertips with a user-friendly interface. The system is fast and responsive, and with the available Bose premium sound system, you get crystal clear audio that makes your favorite tunes sound even better. The 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot ensures that everyone on board stays connected, no matter where the road takes you. Steering wheel. The steering wheel on the Canyon AT4X is leather-wrapped and includes multifunctional controls for audio, cruise control, and hands-free calls. The wheel is adjustable for both tilt and telescopic movement, allowing you to find the perfect driving position. If you live in colder climates, the available heated steering wheel will make winter drives much more comfortable, adding a touch of luxury to your off-road adventures. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Canyon AT4X delivers impressive power. The truck is powered by a 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing around 310 horsepower and 430 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and offers an incredible balance of power and efficiency. Whether you're towing heavy loads, crawling over rocks, or cruising on the highway, the Canyon AT4X has the muscle to get the job done. Hybrid option. The Canyon AT4X also offers a mild hybrid powertrain for those who are looking for improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The hybrid engine combines a traditional gasoline engine with an electric motor, offering enhanced low-end torque and better fuel economy. This option is perfect for those who need the power of a full-size truck but want to make fewer stops at the pump during longer drives or off-road trips. Airbags. In terms of safety, the Canyon AT4X comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of airbags. These include front, side impact, and curtain airbags to protect you and your passengers in the event of a collision. Additionally, there's a driver's knee airbag for added protection. With these airbags working in conjunction with the truck's reinforced frame and safety systems, you are well protected whether you're driving on paved roads or rough trails. Parking assist. When it comes to parking or navigating tight spaces, the Canyon AT4X has your back. The truck comes standard with rear parking sensors and an available 360-degree camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of your surroundings. There's also front parking sensors for added convenience when maneuvering in urban environments or when you're hooking up to a trailer. The adaptive cruise control system also makes highway driving easier, adjusting speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. Price. So, what can you expect to pay for all of this? The 2025 GMC Canyon AT4X starts at around $42,000 for the base model, with the fully loaded trims reaching closer to $50,000. Considering the rugged capabilities, luxury features, and overall value, it's a solid investment for those looking for a premium, off-road ready truck without jumping into the full-size category. And that wraps up our detailed look at the 2025 GMC Canyon AT4X. This truck offers a perfect blend of rugged off-road performance, luxury, and advanced tech features. If you're after a capable